TraderFactor has crafted a comprehensive Forex cheat sheet designed to pave your way through the complexities of currency trading. Here's a breakdown of what you'll find. Understanding the basics. What is Forex? Discover the world where currencies are traded 24/5, offering unmatched liquidity and opportunities. Key terms explained from pips to lots. Get familiar with the jargon. Analyzing the market. Fundamental analysis. Learn how global events affect currency values. Technical analysis. Understand how charts and patterns can predict future price movements. Crafting a trading strategy. Choose your style. Day trading versus swing trading. Find what suits you best. Risk management. Essential tips to protect your investment. Practical tools for success. Trading platforms. Explore the software that connects you to the Forex market. Indicators and signals. Navigate the trading seas with confidence by understanding these critical tools. Engaging with the community, the importance of networking. Join forums and social media groups to exchange ideas and strategies. Why now is the time to start? The current economic climate presents unique opportunities for Forex traders. With the right knowledge and tools, you can start leveraging these opportunities today. Ready to dive in? Head over to TraderFactor.com to access the full Forex cheat sheet and begin your trading journey armed with expert insights and strategies.